In this video, we're going to go from this to this. Well, with all the YouTubers building their new world headquarters, thought I'd go ahead and do that myself as well. So, to start the process off, I needed to get rid of a few stumps. And when I called the guy in to grind the stumps, there's also a big tree in my front yard that I wanted out. And well, that kind of led one thing to another. I ended up taking down about 20 trees in my yard to make room for the new Two Keys Studio World headquarters. So here's some of the trees coming down, and next you will see the new world headquarters arriving. I had to record this because I've never seen a shed go over a fence before, but they did it. This guy that delivered this thing had a really cool trailer, and as you can see, it was kind of a fascinating thing to watch him deliver the new shed, and ultimately getting it placed into the location. I have a septic system right by my double gate, so we kind of had to work around that, which they did well with both cutting the trees down and putting in the new Two Keys World headquarters. So anyway, I kind of wanted to share this with you. Look for another video coming up on how I'm going to power this the world headquarters. So anyway, thanks for watching.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.
Chat, Ruby. Move. Move.